Yeah. Black fam. I do this for the life of me. Since moms and dad gave life to me. Ever since they brought the mic to me. Rightfully, it's the life for me. Here we go with the flow, real dope, on coke, no joke. Roll your boats and float on my quotes. Got most MCs on the ropes. It's the great pink hope. You'll get break or broke. Dudgies, Phillies, Century Sam. You'll get smoked like ham with the fam. We foul like gross, but deaf as most. Miss Fat Booty, get close. My Umi says approach. Rock and roll, Bon Jovi. I'm nice, call Kobe. If you don't think so, Pinocchio, long nose me, John Doe me. My encounters is ghostly. I walk around bossy, hot like your laundry, so you should get a load of me. I'm Robitussin, you just need a dose of me. I'm glad to throw you in the bag and call you grocery. You ain't shit like most white folks to me. I do this for the life of me. It ain't no joke to me. Holy moly, I will hang you with your rosary. I do this for the life of me. Since moms and dad gave life to me. Ever since they brought the mic to me. Rightfully, it's the life for me.